dogs in Cat's World or Bark meme token ng Ethereum ecosystem bago ito. So alamin natin kung ito ay may potensyal na maging 10x to 100x. Welcome sa aking maling channel, ang Crypto Joel. Okay guys, dito tayo sa website ng Dog in Cat's World. Ito ang bagong meme token ng Ethereum ecosystem. So ito ang kanilang website. So ito ang kanilang token ticker. So ang name ay Dog in Cat's World, symbol bark. Mayroon itong 777 trillion supply. Ito ang contract address. So pwede kang bumili nito sa Uniswap. Then mayroon na din ito sa Bitmart. Pwede mo gusto mong suriin ang kanilang website, so pwedeng i-click itong check it, no? So ano ba tong Dog in Cat's World? So bark ang pangalan ng kanilang token, no? Introducing Dogs in Cat's World, where every bark counts. So yung bark, yung pagbark ng aso, no? And every paw resonates in the vast landscape of crypto and universe. Embark on a journey beyond the ordinary with bark as our symbol, as we redefine the meme coin experience in creativity, innovation, and a whole lot of fun. So ito ang kanilang purpose, bakit ginawa ito yung token ito na bark, no? So in a world where cats and dogs are often seen as opposites, we're breaking barriers and building bridges, creating a community where diversity thrives and imagination knows no bounds. So sa kanilang token, gusto nilang gawing wala nang barriers between the cats and dogs in real situation, no? So ayun nga dito, join us as we unleash the power of memes to not only entertain but also inspire, educate, and elevate the crypto landscape. So with Dogs in Cat's World, every transaction is a step towards a more inclusive and vibrant future, where laughter is the base currency and creativity reigns supreme. Whether you are a seasoned investor or a curious newcomer, there's a place for you in our pack, where friendship, collaboration, and positivity are the cornerstone of our success. So pinaka-focus talaga nito nila ay bakit ginawa ito ang meme token, para magkaroon ng friendship, collaboration, and positivity. So join the bark revolution today and be part of something truly special, where dreams take flight and possibilities are limitless. So ito naman kadalasang mga sinasabi ng mga meme token, no? So together, let's bark louder. Yung tumahol ka ng malakas, for softer, and create a world where everyone is welcome and anything is possible. Welcome to Dogs in Cat's World, where the adventure never ends. Okay. So ang partners ng bark token ay ang Uniswap, DexDrainer, DexToll, DexBio, then CoinMarketCap, then Bitmart. Itong isa hindi ko pa nakikilala itong isa, no? So sa Dex pwede ka sa Uniswap, pero mayroon na silang partnership with Bitmart, no? So mayroon silang email, bark@dogincatsworld.vip. Mayroon Telegram, then Twitter account. So ito. So kung ating titingnan sa dito tayo sa DexToll muna, ang kanyang trading sa DexToll ay ito. So ito na, Dog in Cat or Bark token, Uniswap ito. So Ethereum, mayroon pa siyang 9 zeros. Audited na siya. So kung tingnan natin ang kanyang market cap, hindi pa siya pumalo ng 1,500,000 market cap pa. So big sabihin, maaga pa ito. So liquidity niya ay 40,000. Then 777 trillion kanyang selling supply. Then 1,22,000 ng holders niya. So ito. So dito sa 3D story, so may nag-buy. So kung mag-try ka ng $6, mayroon kang 10 billion. Kapag $100, mayroon kang 155 billion ang yung mabibili. So ang nag-buy ay 237, then sales 170. Then sa DIX score is 85.99. So verified contract, hanipat, buy tax, sale na. Then 100% ang community trust with 108 votes, no? So pwede nitong subukan, pero uli ay research muna. Lagi kong sinasabi na ang aking mga video ay for educational purpose only, not a financial advice. So sana inyong subukan ang ganitong token. Magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat.